Did you know the transition between US presidents is one of the fastest moving events in the world? It takes just 4 to 5 hours, and it's an incredible process. By tradition, Inauguration Day happens on January 20th, and at exactly 12 p.m., the new president takes the oath of office. While the new president is being sworn in at the Capitol, the White House staff is working at lightning speed. In just a few hours, they deep clean the White House, move out the old president's belongings, and set up the new family's furniture, decor, and even favorite snacks. As the outgoing president says goodbye and departs, the new president arrives at their freshly prepared home and gets to work right away. This tradition of a peaceful transfer of power has been a hallmark of U.S. democracy since George Washington handed over to John Adams in 1797. Isn't it amazing how much happens in just a few hours? Share this video if you think this process is as incredible as we do.